everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the 4th class of dancing rhythm. This time we're going to use Dunduns as our main beat. The beat will be open, open, open 4 times, then open, open, fast. We're going to play it like this. Let's try again. The first beat for Djembe is slap, slap, ton, ton, slap, slap, bass, bass. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is slap, ton, bass, ton. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the 4th class of dancing rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.